So here's the newest kit from Kitbox PZY. It's the Ferrari Daytona SP3. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. Starting with the most important part. Check this out. So this is a brand new Ferrari, and casting is super clean. I'm actually going to have to rough this up before I throw any paint on it, because I don't think primer would even stick to it. But neat shape. The rear end, I thought this was kind of neat. It's a separate piece, and you pair it with this other piece here. How did this go? Yeah, it all just fits together like Legos. Look, yeah, check that out. Very cool. There is an engine in this one. The engine block. Let me zoom in on this. The engine block is in there. The seats, God, is this gorgeous. Look at that texture. The floor pan in the interior are mounted together. No big deal. This is the front end. Just nice detail on the bottom. And like I said, fits together like Legos. But the best part about this is in this little container right here. What's in the container, James? Get this out of here. PZY has pre-bent the photo etched piece that fits in here. Look at that. Easy. Love it. Thank you, PZY. So here's something else that's kind of interesting. Get this out of here. This styrofoam container these are 3D printed parts. And these are like hoses and wires for the engine. this back in here so I don't break it. Nice tread pattern, and if you look, yes they do, P0. Here's our door panels. Dashboard. This is the engine cover. Let's pull that over. So unfortunately, even though it has an engine, you're not going to see a whole lot of it. I'm thinking maybe make this magnetic so I can take it on and off. What do you guys think? That way you can see a whole lot more of the engine. Small, tiny pieces. I'm not even going to take these out of the bag. More brakes and other small pieces. More tiny pieces. I don't even know what half these things are. Not yet. Just bags and bags and bags of parts. Man. Another one. And there's the roof for the body. There are some clear like lenses and stuff. Some chrome plated parts. Seatbelt material in 3 colors, black, red, and blue. And photo etched. I love these nameplate things. Very cool. We've got brake rotors, wiper, seatbelt stuff. Here's our engine cover window. Tiny photo etch parts. Our plates, paddle shifters there. And the dreaded windows. That one won't be too bad. Moving on to decals, we've got some metal transfer decals, metallic decals. We've got these colored ones. A whole sheet of carbon fiber. These are always fun. And a whole nother sheet of carbon fiber. And I cut this decal sheet because it was longer than the box. But we do have blue and white stripes, white, black and white, yellow, silver, and red, the tricolor, and rondels for racing versions. And on this half of it, we had some stripes, some more carbon, and even colored prancing horses for the seats. Yeah, there's just so many parts. So here's my plan of attack. So I painted the body in pearl white, and then all of the pieces that I saw in the instructions that need carbon fiber, I want to carbon fiber all of these, shoot clear coat once instead of, once for the body, once for the carbon, and then just kind of build off of that. There's a whole tub here full of pieces. God, I was looking at the instructions, and there are just so many pieces. There's 132 pieces in this kit. Look, yeah, 132 pieces. And with the instructions for a PZY kit, they're I actually blew them up because, you know, I'm old. But I blew them up and just to make them a little easier to see what numbers and what pieces. But the numbers, the parts themselves aren't really numbered except for on, you know, the instruction sheet. So you have to find, you know, the tiny piece and say, you know, that kind of looks like number 76, and 76 goes here. So, yeah, it's challenging. And I think it's going to be amazing when it's finished, but yeah, it's a little more work than your typical, you know, Tamiya kit. So stay tuned to the channel. I will post, you know, pictures and videos of me doing what I do, and keep following along. If you'd like to pick up one of these kits, I strongly recommend that you get one quickly, like today. I think that they're going to sell these things out. I think they make about 150, 200 of them. So, yeah, they're for sale right today, and yeah, I think they're going to sell out. I know that Alpha Models is going to make one as well, but it's different. There's different pieces, different photo etched and all that. Thank you, PZY, for sending me this kit for review, and I will build it up to the best of my abilities. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, everyone, and talk to you later. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.